everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1972 Dodge Challenger. This is a very rare car, guys. One of 357 factory 340 4-speed cars ever built. Very nice car. It's actually out of Kentucky. It is an older restoration. This car was restored about 30 years ago. Still in very nice shape. Nice, good, straight running and driving car. Factory lemon twist yellow. That is the original vinyl top on that car. Most of the interior is still original. Has been repainted. It's had one repaint about 30 years ago. So yes, you can nitpick the car. But nice, and I will tell you, runs and drives as sweet as can be. Good car. You can see it's got the sport hood. That's factory. Car's really as it would have came out of the factory air car, complete matching numbers drivetrain in it. But as you go around it, and I'll point it out again, older paint, you can nitpick it, but good car, solid car. Really, and like I say, I can't stress enough, this thing really runs and drives excellent. This is original trim, factory fender mount turn signals. They've replaced those, replaced both the front and the rear bumper. Again, this is all factory stuff. Vinyl top is the original vinyl top. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, there's some blemishes in that top. As you walk around it, there's some little touch-up marks. You can see factory luggage rack. Just sold a V-code Cuda with that luggage rack on it. But really good looking car. Touch-up mark. It's got the factory rally wheels with the BF Goodrich Radial TAs. That's the correct exhaust for this too. It's got the rally exhaust. Again, a couple little touch-up marks. I know there was another one. Tough to see. Shoot. Pretty car. Again, matching numbers, 340 cars, stock 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, factory air car. Matching numbers, 4-speed manual trans. They've upgraded it to electronic ignition. I believe this is your original paint in here. I don't think they've ever touched that inside the engine compartment. There's your fender tag. Again, factory Y1, high impact, lemon twist yellow paint. Sport hood. I had my guys put a little pledge on this. Those will blacken those up. I know that sounds funny, but Pledge is great for that. Can't get wax on it and stuff. Factory chrome mirror there. Sorry, the Pledge you can use on like sport hood stripes. Sorry, my boys missed some dust here. Sorry, guys. Yeah. I'm gonna have to get my detail guys. Factory remote mirror. I believe that's the original carpet, original sill plates. Factory bucket seats, console. Factory Hurst Pistol Grip shifter. Factory rally dash. 91,402. That is the original miles on that car. Aftermarket radio. That's the AC. Dealer installed air is actually what that is. Dual exhaust. Factory 8 3/4 323 rear end. Body wise, I believe they put a quarter panel on the driver's or passenger side, and there it has new floor pans on the driver's side, front and rear. This is the dirt there, guys. Factory jack, factory spare. They've sound dead in the trunk, which kind of works when you're driving down the road too. Just some little information we got. Again, there's one of 357 of those ever built. Original owner's manuals. Car looks good underneath. Sorry, there's little bugs on yellow and orange this time of year, man. The bugs just flock to. So if you're seeing something, it's just bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're keeping track of that website and our social media stuff. I'm actually leaving in the morning for a show. Be gone all next week for a show. The dash is nice. Steering wheel's nice. Got the wood grain console. It's in great shape. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Those are original. You can nitpick them a little. Again, car runs and drives great. You know how to turn on the air, Jordy? Yep. Air blows cold. I don't know if Jordy's had any experience with one of those boxes. Bone stock. That was rebuilt. Does have the upgraded valve seats and stuff in it, so you can run it out pump gas. I always recommend premium. Fender mount turn signals work. Hope you can see that one over there. Door buzzer still works. Yeah, everything in there works. The clock doesn't work, but all your gauges are functional. Parking brake works. Backup lights work. Like I say, good car. Get in it, turn the key, point the direction. Radio, it's got an aftermarket radio, yep. Oh, jams on there. Oh, shut those off. And make sure that gets fixed. One of the little clips has come off the wiper thing. Again, make sure to keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. see, Jordy's got a little marker lights work.